everyone. I just want to give you a couple short clips about assignment 2, part 1, in case you have any questions about those pieces. Again, if you want to chat in person, please let me know. We can set up an appointment through Zoom. I hope you're staying well. So what I'd like to show you is some, hopefully I'm sharing this, sorry. Kind of walk you through sort of part 1 in a couple of clips. So the first part here is those first couple of questions about map elements and map information. So what we have here is a really large scale overview of our map that we're using, which in this case is the Guelph National Topographic System. Along the bottom of the map down here, the very bottom, is where you'll find things like the title, the scale, information about magnetic declination, publication dates, contour lines, all of that is on the bottom here, as well as some information in particular about using the UTM coordinate system. Along the right-hand side of the map are the legends. So there's information about like what are the patterns and symbols on the map and what do those mean. And I think that's helpful for thinking about how you do your own sketches for part 2 of the assignment, but also is helpful in interpreting the map, which is the last 2 questions of part 1. So magnetic declination, there's been a couple of questions about this, and we've been able to go over this in the help sessions in person. So I kind of want to give you a bit of an overview in case you're still scratching your head about this one. So the magnetic North Pole is not in the same place as the true North Pole. And that's because the magnetic field around the Earth system sort of wanders or migrates around a little bit. And so as you can see here on the right, magnetic North Pole in 2019 is not lining up to where Santa Claus lives. And it's actually moved around quite a bit in the last sort of 3-4 centuries that it's been mapped. There's some cool stories about how that works out. So in order to be able to use our topographic maps to navigate and figure out where we are on the planet using those maps, we need to have like a correction, or that magnetic declination is our correction factor. So if you read through the paragraph on orientation at the beginning of assignment 2, that should help you sort of understand that. And we need to sort of, what's the correction factor that we need to make when we're looking at our map? And so that is something that you'll find that in the bottom symbol or bottom section of the map. I'm gonna stop this video and do a new video on scale so that each of these video clips are relatively short. Doing all of this takes me a little bit of time because it's new for me. All right, thanks.